In today's video, we're going to talk about our pots. So if you're interested in finding out more, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, I'm Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red button you see down below, then a bell will appear. Click that bell, and then click all. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And before we jump into this, why don't you give your girl a thumbs up? Don't forget to comment and share my video. Now today I am continuing on with my kitchen series of kitchen organization and refresh. So today we're going to jump on something totally different. Keeping the bottom of our pots clean. Yes, this one is horrible. Yes, I know. My goal this year is to have all the bottom of my pots and boilers looking clean. I want them to stay this original look that they have on them. Now, this one is my fault. I should have cleaned it up better than I did. Lesson learned. Moving on. So what I'm going to be using is I'm going to be using some Brillo pads. This green scrub brush and this brown one. And I'm also going to be using some Comet. That's if the area is really, really rough. Okay. Comet is open. Alright. So initially I'm going to try a Brillo pad. Sometimes a little hard scrub with a Brillo pad goes a long way. Now this area it did come off of, but the other areas are a little bit more stubborn, so I'm going to try a little something else to clean them and see how it does. Get a bigger pot here. Now I'm going to show you what this looks like so far. Now it's a big difference from here to here. So this is working. I wanted this to be a little bit more cleaner. So we'll keep on going. Okay, now I've been scrubbing. I took you off so I can put some elbow grease into it. And this is how it looks so far. Let me scrub this new piece. Okay. Now, this is how it looks now. Still have some here, but this has built up for a while, and this looks so much better to me. Let me get these sides, see if that'll get some of that off. This is an old pan, so yeah. But I like this pan because it cooks pancakes good. Compared to how it looked at the beginning, this looks great. Now I'm gonna try this one again. Now the bottom looks a whole lot better, but I still have these two spots here that are giving me drama. But overall, looks a lot better than it did before. I'm gonna try my big copper pan. So now I'm gonna rinse this off. And man, that made a big difference. A big copper pan. Just a little bit of elbow grease. I put some Ajax putty where I mixed with water and so much Ajax in them to let it sit for a while to see if that would help make the scrubbing easier, and it did. So the last pot is this one. So let's see how this one does. This one is very old, very. So this one may not get anywhere near like the other ones. It's a lot better than it was, but it's not totally clean like the other one. Again, this pot here is so old. Yeah. Okay. So my goal is to have a cleaner kitchen. So I've scrubbed the pots and they look great. Now it's just to clean up my sink. So now it's just about cleaning my kitchen back up from the mess I just made. Because one of my new goals is to never leave anything in my sink. So, the sink has been cleaned. The pots, the bottoms are decent. So I accomplished another goal. If you haven't gone already to check out creativelymissme.com, check out my blog, where I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and for content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest updates.